In this video, I am going to show you how to copy raw value and paste it as column value. Let's say here is the raw value, like for subject. Now I would like to copy and paste it as here column value. So to do this, I need to copy from here. Then again, I need to keep the cursor here in this column. Right click on mouse, here paste a special. From there I need to select here transposed. Okay, well, now you can see this copy value is pasted here as. Now if I want to do the same thing, that means I would like to copy column value and paste it here raw value. So to do this, again I need to copy from here and again keep the cursor here, right click on mouse, paste a special, then transposed. Okay, and here you can see this 4 subject column are pasted here as raw value.